front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to a text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner, and in order to add already existing audio file, select Files. Now tap on Audio at the top to find it here. Choose one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, click on it in order to add it. If you want to record your file and add it right away, click on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then record it by tapping on this microphone one. When you finished, click on red button and choose Restart if you wish to start over, or Attach if you want to add it to your message. To add a video window, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on any video you wish to add. If you can't find it here, select Folders, tap on any of your videos here, and attach it this way. If you want to record it and then add it, click on those two arrows at the top right corner of this little camera section. Choose Video option, record it, and as you can see, it was automatically added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!